Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. So please stay safe and let's move on to today's video without any delay. Before getting into that, let me thank you all for the immense love you have given for the previous videos. Crossing 10,000 views in a channel, that's something really great for me. As a person personally, I'm really happy about it and I'm really thankful to you guys. So please keep supporting me the same way you're doing right now. Let's move on to today's video without any delay, and I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon and the like button as well, and do share your comments in the comment section. Also, if you want to connect or if you want to get any tips and tricks on any concepts, you can always watch my reels. I post valuable content there as well. So please do check out my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter as well. So let's move on to today's video without any delay. So from the title, you might have understood what the video is all about, right? So I believe that if you learn Python this way, Python is always a fun language. You can have fun with Python as much as you want. Comparatively, like when you compare it with other languages, this is more fun learning. So what I thought is, like, if you learn Python the same way you learn C, Java and all, it would be difficult, it would be boring actually. So most people, what they do is, especially me, if you ask me, from the first year I started learning Python. In the first year, if you watched my previous video, you might know it. So, like, from the first year I started learning Python in this way, and it has been really great, like really informative, and it has been really helpful for me to learn this way. That is, by creating games, small games which I have been playing, like tic-tac-toe or some guessing games, something like that, creating boards. This has been really fun. That way we'll interact with the code as well as we get to know more about Python and its the libraries that they use. So in today's video we'll be creating a QR code. It's very easy, completely easy, and I will be showing you how to make that QR code. Like, you can generate your own QR code. You know what is a QR code, right? Quick response code is its full form. You might have seen in most of the newspapers, everyday newspaper, if you open Times or Hindu or any of the newspapers out there, with the you know the advertisement below, there would be a QR code for them for the scanning. It's so easy, right? You just have to give the content, and if you want them to click on a link or open a link or download an app or give some information about you, just have to give a QR code. You don't have to write it every single time. You don't have to waste the newspaper's area of your advertisement. So that's something really productive in the sense that something which is really, marketing technology, marketing strategies, we can call it. But yeah, they also use the technology. So coming to that, let's not move on to that more, okay? So let me tell you what and all you can store in this, what do you call it, this QR code. You can store contact details, you can store some product details, some product links, some website links, some Facebook IDs, Instagram IDs, Twitter, all the social media IDs, event details, like if there is an event and you want people to register to it, event details, and some links to directly download from the Apple Store, App Store and the Google Play Store and all. And also for digital transactions, simply by scanning the QR code you can do digital transactions. And also you can access some Wi-Fi by storing encryption details, like password, SSID, and some encryption types and all. Much things, you can do so much with this QR code. Just, it's like you're providing some data in the form of some encrypted, in an encrypted way. That's it. So simple it is. I would tell you that in Python it is very easy to create. Now let's move on to the creation of our own QR code. So let's move on to it. So there's a module in Python which helps in this, in creating this QR codes. So it's very easy in Python. So the module is pip install QR code is the way you install it. QR code is the module, so you can install it using the pip install QR code, the command. Okay, so let's write this command in Spider. That is the command to I forgot this. What is it? It's a comment, right? Command to install QR code module, which is this one. Pip install QR code. You can directly write it in the console in the spider and it will get installed. If you're facing any issues, please do let me know in the comment section. So let's start off. Okay, let's start. First we'll import. I already have it, so I'm not installing it. So pip install QR code has already been done by me. So as I have it, I'm not installing it. I'm That's why I asked you, like, if you're facing any issues, do let me know in the comment section, so that we'll find out what error if you get, in case you get. So import QR code is the first line. Then we'll give a variable. What variable name shall we give? QR. Okay, as we're creating a QR code. So the thing is, QR code, which is the module that we have imported, there are various things under that for functions under that. So make is one such function, and we will be giving a URL here. So what URL can we give? I already have copied a link, which is a YouTube link to my video, so I'll just paste it here. This is one link for my video. Now what will I do? I'll try to save this QR code. QR code is, the name is QR dot save. In which name should I save my QR code dot jpg? Okay, that's the name I'm giving. So we'll try to execute one by one. Let's try executing this. Import QR code, successful. QR code make, successful. Before saving this, let me show you the path in which my QR code gets saved. So this is the path. Here is where my code gets saved. So this is the path where the QR code also gets saved. As of now, you can see there is no QR code. Once I click on save, my QR code will get, with that name, a QR code will be available here. I'll show it to you. So running it, saved successfully. It has been saved successfully. So let's check the path in the folder which I just which we just checked now. If there is a QR code, then our code is successful, and we can easily confirm that our code has been completely successful. So let's see. Yes, there's a QR code. Okay, so let's open this QR code. How beautiful this QR code is, right? So let me try opening this. I have my phone here and I'll try to open this. Okay, so here you can see that it's asking for which shall I go to YouTube or not. Okay, so go to YouTube, and you can see that it has opened this video. So I'm not gonna show other videos, so I'll just go to in this full screen mode. So you can see that my video has been opened here, and this is how successful this QR code was. You can try it. As this is visible in the screen, you can directly scan now, and you can see if it is working or not. Can check it. So that's all for today's video. Hope this is very easy. I'm sure this is easy. Only 3 lines of code and you can create a QR code, give advertisements in newspapers, or send some letters to your friends, or send some secret messages to your friends through this. No one will know, it's just a QR code. So if someone scolds you, don't tell my name. Okay, I didn't give you any such idea. Okay, I didn't give you any such idea. This is just a QR code. You can use it for good purposes. And thank you so much for watching this video. Just like the way you loved the previous video, you supported the previous video, please do shower some love on this as well. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.